Hi, this is a video on how to fix your Tesla Model 3 rear view mirror if it pops off of the ball socket joint like mine is here loose. It should be a quick fix. Before I start the video, I just want to give a disclaimer that if you put too much force on this ball socket joint when trying to reattach it, you can damage and break your front windshield. So if you feel uncomfortable doing this, please call your Tesla service center. I take no responsibility for any damage you cause to your car while attempting this repair. So this is just a simple ball socket joint. There's some teeth here that retain the mirror onto the ball, and there's a steel ring that wraps around. It has a little discontinuity here at the top, and you want to get that retaining ring off of this, off of the teeth in order to let them expand fully. And you can pop it back onto the ball and then put the ring back on. I'll show you here. So there's a little gap at the top. You can take your screwdriver and try and pop that ring out. I already popped mine off, so it came off pretty easily. And it may take a little more force to get yours out, but you can wiggle it out and pry it out. You can use a pair of pliers too. Then you slide the ring over the ball, and you apply a little bit of force to the teeth and the ball, and it should pop on. Shouldn't be too much, but maybe about 10 or 15 pounds of force it took me to get it back on. Then the ring is loose, so you just stick the ring back on, and you can use that same screwdriver or blunt end of some other tool. I got some pliers here to pop this back into place and retain the teeth again. Just making sure mine's all the way on so it doesn't pop off anymore. And it should be recessed a little bit behind all of the teeth, as you can see here on mine. And that's it. Good luck.